When we arrived at number 30 corner Banak and Zericote Streets this morning, the upper flat of the two-story house in which 82-year-old William Watts had passed away was locked shut. All that was evidence was the scorched front portion of the residence where the fire started. Watts' neighbor, Sharon Tillett, told us off camera that he was a kind soul who helped them to put out their garbage twice a week.
He used to take out my garbage. I used to give him lunch, breakfast. We quarrel. We're friends again. The other day he got sick. I gave a hammer for them to get in. I was really shocked this morning. I mean, we heard noises, we heard little popping and stuff, and my husband got up, and when we realized the house was on fire, and so we called the fire truck. The police was the first person on the scene, and I don't know who the police officer is, but he really tried to get in, and I could see on his face it was devastation because he couldn't get in. Yeah, he really stamped that door and he couldn't get in.
But whether or not the elderly occupant died as a result of the fire or before the fire is not yet clear. A post-mortem examination will determine that. Fire Station Supervisor Kenneth Mortis told reporters this afternoon that the fire started from an old television set that was left on, and Watts was found on his back a distance away.
The fire is concluded to have been as a result of an electrical flaw, whereby the television set that was used as a means of entertainment had overheated and created the fire. A body was found in the building. We furthered the investigation, and that was when we determined or we learned that the body was that of 82-year-old senior citizen Mr. William Watson. We found Mr. Watson in the living room area near the sofa on his back.
Mortis said the house was insured and that the lower flat, which was unoccupied, suffered water and heat damage. He lamented on the reality that elderly folks face when they live alone. He advises, again, the importance of acquiring two small home appliances.
The use of a readily and serviceable smoke alarm, regardless of the type of structure you're living in, a smoke alarm works wonders if it works properly. It's the early detection to a fire, hence the reason it's a smoke alarm. It gives off that loud beeping sound. A smoke alarm costs roughly $25. Married that to a fire extinguisher, you have a pair of tools that will work, does work, and they have shown to work.
Sharon Tillett recalls the last time she saw Watts 2 days ago.
The last time I saw him, he just gave me a smile. He was walking upstairs day before yesterday. Yeah, because normally garbage day, he would come out, make sure everybody garbage is out, He was vibrant. He could go up those stairs faster than I can go up my own stairs, So he was very active. He's constantly there. Every morning the window would be open and he's up, So that would be definitely missed.
Reporting for News 5, I'm Marion Ali.